Wala bafethu shaphu kunjani ngithembe ukuthi ne-grand ngithembe ukuthi niyaphila makuthi-ke usanda kusijoyina ku-channel please ngicela wenze nje okulungile ulike ivideo usubscribe ku-channel okunye okubaluleke kakhulu ukucibeza i-notification bell ukuze ngaso sonke isikhathi mangifaka ivideo uthole i-notification. Bafethu transfer rumors ngicabanga ukuthi njengamanje ama-clubs kwi-Betway Premiership abusy afuna abadlali abadingayo kuma-clubs for isizini ezoqala so abusy kakhulu ama-clubs kwi-Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates ibusy, bakhona abadlali bafunayo, Kaizer Chiefs kanjalo neMamelodi Sundowns, nawo wonke nje ama-clubs akwi-Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates transfer rumors. According to iSoccerLatuma, iSoccerLatuma-ke siveze indaba zokuthi Orlando Pirates engathi i-interested kumdlali ogijima kwi-Golden Arrows uJunior Dion. Junior Dion-ke right now isizini ayikapheli but right now uyi-leading goal scorer, uyena unama goals amaningi kwi-Betway Premiership. Engicabanga ukuthi-ke lokho ikhona okwenza i-Orlando Pirates ibe interested kumdlali onjengo Junior Dion from i-Golden Arrows. So bafethu iyona transfer rumor engiyiphethe Orlando Pirates engathi ama-negotiations ne-Golden Arrows engathi angahamba kahle. Awudrophe i-comment kwi-comment section ungitshela ukuthi wena uyamdinga yini uJunior Dion kwi-Orlando Pirates. Mina ngokwami ngiyamdinga umgadli ofana noJunior Dion, umgadli okwazi ukuthi mayisebhekene nepali akwazi ukuthi ibhola livinjwe inet. Dropha i-comment kwi-comment section uphawule ungitshela ukuthi wena uyamdinga yini uJunior Dion, okanye mhlawumbe ukhona omunye umdlali omfunayo for enye iposition kuyibhakabhaka. Ungakhohlwa ukulike ivideo usubscribe kwi-channel. Okwamanje ngivumele ngithi-ke nje bye bye.